This is Margarita Mooney Clayton. I'm checking in with Jim Blackstone at the Chichester School for Liturgical Art. Jim, can you tell me about this mosaic of St. Dominic?
This mosaic is a commission of the Cathedral Church of Chichester, and it was originally designed for the clergy vestry there, and that has windows shaped with this semicircle top, so that the priests, as they gather together in preparation for the liturgy, can have beside them the figure of St. Dominic. It's currently in the shrine in the cathedral, in the open space at the centre, for the time being. Now, St. Dominic would walk in humility from place to place around Spain and throughout Europe in his preaching, for which he's known. And he would walk from place to place with bare feet, and so that his own humility and practice of discipline of prayer wasn't recognised widely, he would put shoes on as he would go into villages and preach there. So it's a symbol of his humility before Christ. He holds close to his heart the scriptures here, bejeweled because of their glorious nature, their light-filled nature as the Lord's word. And he holds the staff of authority as the preacher. And his finger pointing here signifies that he's speaking as well. That's often used in icon forms as a gesture to show the voice. He was known in his lifetime as a radiant figure. The light would come from his forehead, and he had a tinge of red hair as well, which I tried to put in the mosaic here. The gold that surrounds St. Dominic is the gold of the Lord's divine activity, the Lord's grace, in which he stands, and he invites us to join him in standing too.